Foxconn, the Taiwanese tech giant, is trying to balance its act in India. In July, it called off the $19.4 billion joint venture with Vedanta, an Indian metals and energy conglomerate. The decision was driven by concerns over the slow progress of the project. However, Foxconn is not turning away from India entirely. On August 2, the company announced an investment of $600 million in the Indian state of Karnataka. Under this, Foxconn will set up an iPhone component facility and a project for chip-making tools. This will generate 12,000 jobs. Despite the significant drop from the earlier $19.4 billion venture, this $600 million investment marks a significant milestone for India. This aligns with the Indian government's vision to position the country as an alternative to China for manufacturing. Is this a cause of worry for China? Share your views in the comments.
If you want to see more business news like this, then subscribe to our channel.